writing a Python program in a PyCharm IDE. So it's used for writing Python program. I'm just defining a Fibonacci generator. Generator is different from a function. It uses yield instead of return. So let's see what's the difference and how the difference essentially makes a Python a better language. Python is dynamically typed, which means you did not declare any of variables memory type. So I defined the generator Fibonacci, and I'm trying to print the type of the generator and seeing this. So see, it's a class generator. Generator is not a function, it's a class. So let's try to print the elements of the class. So next is calling Fibonacci the next element. So it's generating 0. So I'm just calling again and again. See, it's always generating 0 because it just the first thing yield is returning 0. It's like a function. You're calling it's like a function, but how to call it like a generator? So class needs a reference, right? So let's call it via a reference and see what's the difference. So let's call it via a reference. So generator is a reference for 900, and I'm using gen reference for printing the next elements. I'm just printing 4 elements and see what happens. So now it's generating a Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so let's be creative in using a generator. So I'm using it in the for loop. I'm just creating a Fibonacci for till 20, which means after 21 it stops the sequence. So it's like a generator can always generate a thing till it can generate. So an IDE also helps in C. You can easily hover over what all the functions are there. So it always helps in various ways in IDE. So let's see what and all the values, the parameters can be passed and also be seen. So see, the first one generates the 4 thing and the next one generates till 20. The first one generates. Okay, so I have commented the first one and I'm exclusively seeing the second one. So now let's use it in a list computation. List computation in the sense the list can be generated by a for loop within a list itself. It's so simple. See, lines of codes are very simple in Python, so that complex tasks can be done with simple lines of code. So now I'm declaring a dictionary. Dictionary is something which has a key and a value, and if you input the key and gets the value. So let's print the dictionary and see. So I have defined the dictionary and I'm just printing the dictionary with the key value. So key, so that it prints the value. See, the whole dictionary is printed in the first line, and then corresponding to the key, the values are alone are printed. So this is Python.